Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bronco Garage. We just got done installing the 2-in-1 exhaust kit made by James Duff, and now we're back to show you the accessories made by another all-American company, Heatshield products. All right, first off, you're going to be looking at a lot of different accessories and things you may or may not need to deck out your 2-in-1 exhaust system. The lava wrap is one of those choices. All right, so why do I need lava wrap? You know, what benefits does it give that makes it great for me? Well, first off, if you're going to be doing a header that doesn't have ceramic coating, you're going to want to seriously consider using lava wrap. Ceramic really helps keep the heat inside the tubes and moves it out the back. Lava wrap does the same thing. First, what you want to do is go to dufftuff.com and go into their 2-in-1 exhaust system. In the description, it'll actually give you how many feet of pipe and what size and how many rolls of this you'll need. And what's really great about Heatshield products is they've taken the time to go through and give you outlined, detailed instructions with pictures that really explain just how to put this wrap on. I honestly feel that if you read these instructions, you won't need me to show you how to do this. All right, cool. So you got your 2-in-1 exhaust system all installed, and you're running down the road, and you're like, man, it is toasty in here. And you know, and maybe your passengers you look back and they're sweating bullets. Well, it probably is coming from your muffler. You know, a muffler that's fully exposed is basically radiating heat on your floorboards and making your interior really hot. Well, Heatshield Products has come up with a solution for you guys, and it's called the muffler blanket. Now, this piece here is really awesome. It comes with plenty of material and it wraps completely around your muffler. Did you already install your muffler and now you want to put this on later? You can do that. But remember, you're going to want to make a stencil. You're going to want to make sure you cut a stencil that's exactly this size, and then you can install it. Now, we're not going to go into how to install the muffler blanket because Heatshield has actually taken the time not only creating really great instructions, they've got a video, and you can check that video in the description below. All right, to round out all the great products from Heatshield, we've got these spark plug insulated boots. And what's really great about this product is you can put your spark plug wire through this boot and then plug it into your spark plug in the cylinder head, and it's going to actually keep the heat off of your spark plug wires. And this is great because you don't want misfires, you don't want damaged spark plug wires, and it'll do that up to 1200 degrees continuously and all the way up to 2000 for short periods of time. All right, so that's it. That's everything from Heatshield we've got here today. Thanks for watching, and again, please leave a comment below and subscribe. Definitely check out the rest of the videos, and we'll see you next time.